What's up guys, this is Quentin from Pypes Exhaust, and today we're taking a look at our 2.5-inch CROSSFLOW system. This system fits 1st and 2nd gen Firebird and Camaro, and 68 to 74 Nova and Ventura. But before we get started, let's check out a sound clip. This is a cross-member back X-pipe based system to give you maximum performance and sound control. So this system comes in 409 and polished 304 stainless steel. The 409 part number is SGF70 and the 304 part number is SGF70S. Both come with clamps and hangers at an affordable price. This system is unique because it's the only CROSSFLOW system on the market with a true dual exhaust flow path. This means exhaust enters on the top of the muffler and exits on the top, enters on the bottom and exits on the bottom. Another feature of this system is ground clearance. The muffler tucks up high, making it ideal for lowered cars. On top of all that, it has an OEM look that is perfect for a restoration while also giving a boost in performance. So this system uses our Race Pro muffler. The Race Pro is the highest flowing muffler in our line, and it creates a great muscle car sound. Let's check out the inside. It's essentially two mufflers in one. It's a straight through design with perforated tubes and basalt packing to resist burning out like fiberglass. So as I said before, the system is from the cross-member back, but we also offer a selection of add-on components like our collector reducers and our downpipes for those of you still running the stock exhaust manifolds. And if you're at the track and want to shave an extra tenth or just want to make some noise, we have an electric cutout kit for this system, no cutting or welding required. So out of the box, these systems exit at the rear quarter panel, but a perfect way to finish off your system would be picking up a set of our polished 304 stainless steel OEM style tips. For all my Pontiac people, we've got Trans Am splitters and adapters, but we also offer a hockey stick tip for Camaro, Nova, and Ventura owners wanting a rear exit. So whether you're working on a high horsepower build or you just want to add a little bit of tone to your restoration, the Pypes SGF70 system has you covered.